Hey guys, Greg here from Remax. I hope that you're all doing really well at the beginning of this Christmas season. This is the mandatory year-end wrap video by the Christmas tree. So in this video, we're going to cover the importance of getting a CMA, the year in review, and real estate predictions for the upcoming year. So first off, why get a CMA? What is a CMA? It stands for a comparative market analysis. So this is where we come to your house, we take a look, we give you an idea of what your home would likely sell for today. So I know that most of you are on our market reports already. This is an overview of what's going on in the market. If you take a closer look, you'll probably see that some homes in your area that look similar are selling for wildly different prices. So a CMA helps give you an exact amount of what you think that your house will likely sell for in the market. So why even do this in the first place if you're not thinking about making a move? There's a lot of really great reasons. Number one, you can refinance your house and consolidate debt into a very low monthly payment. You can use that money to reinvest either in more residential real estate, stocks, bonds, retirement, planning, whatever you need. You can use it to fund your children's education. Maybe you're thinking about getting a family vacation home, which a ton of our clients have do. Or maybe it's time to finally make that move and upsize and downsize. A lot of our clients who purchased their homes even within the last 2 years are actually upgrading to their forever homes because the market has appreciated so quickly that they're able to make a lateral move and get that more space, more land, maybe the finished basement for the in-laws that they need. So they're settling into their forever home, place where they're planning on being for the next 10 to 20 years. This was going to be like a 5 to 7 year upgrade, but with the market the way it's gone, they were able to accomplish that goal in much less time. So in the new year, we're going to be implementing a system which will make it very easy for you guys to book a CMA with us. We're going to be implementing that basically right away. You're going to see a call to action in this email. You can hop right on our calendar, book a call, book an appointment with us directly. So, no need to make a call, worry about interrupting anybody. We're going to make it very easy for you guys to get in touch with us whenever you need us. So now for the fun stuff, the 2021 year in review, the three big trends from 2021 while we are still in COVID, at the tail end of COVID. What is going on? Number one, for me, was the migration from the cities to the country. So, folks being stuck at home really put a priority on space. We want land, we want outdoor space. If we're going to be stuck at home, we want to definitely have room for our whole family. No one wants to be stuck in a 600 square foot apartment with their spouse, their two kids, their dogs, whoever, not even by themselves. People need space. Working from home is here to stay, and that migration from the cities to the countryside has allowed people to do that. So we've seen massive appreciation in rural properties as a result of this, and this is still continuing today. Secondly, migration out of province due to rising real estate prices. A lot of our clients this year made the move to markets where housing was more affordable. So to the East Coast, maritime provinces able to capitalize on the market here, tax-free when you sell your house, and retire to the East Coast, buy a little cottage. With the advent of high-speed internet, they're able to continue to work even for their companies in Ontario out there. This is something that we're very familiar with, and I think that this trend is definitely going to continue. Even seeing migration to the prairie provinces. Yes, the cold and mosquitoes, and I can say that I grew up in Winnipeg, as you all know. Just because of the affordability factor and the high standard of living in those areas. And third, of course, we can't ignore the massive inflation of everything for 2021. We know that we have record inflation in Canada. People's pensions have been absolutely crushed by inflation. So this is also contributing to the supply crisis. People who are retiring with their Stelco pensions, DeFasco pensions, autoplat pensions, teachers pensions, whatever, they're finding that it's just not enough to retire on in the golden horseshoe. So that is obviously a big issue, and people are deciding to stay put. Getting property maintenance, getting home care, because it's cheaper than actually moving out to the outskirts. So those are the three top stories for me of 2021. So what is going to happen in 2022? Predictions for real estate. Number one, I do think that we are going to see an average sales price for the first time ever of over $1 million in Hamilton proper. We're edging up there right now, and as crazy as this sounds, 6 years ago, I never would have thought that this would have been a reality. I do think we will see that by the end of 2022. Second, I think we're going to see a massive surge in the growth of condos. And condo purchases. If you're in the 500,000 or less category, condos are still a great option, and I do think we're going to see more appreciation in condos the floor is going to get raised on condo purchases in terms of purchase price. So keep your eye out for that trend as well. And thirdly, I do think we're going to see way more mom and pop investors get into the market and use their equity in their homes to purchase income properties, purchase hard assets, stocks, bonds, but real estate specifically. These are older generation. They really value home ownership. Everyone values home ownership. We know that 67% of Canadians are homeowners. I do think people are going to use their equity and purchase more income properties. We've seen that already. 25% purchases have been from investors, and this is due to the hyperinflation. People know that their pensions, OAS and CPP, will not fund their lifestyle in retirement, and they're turning to real estate to park their money. I think that's going to be a big trend, not just around my market, but people are going further afield. We're seeing Ontario investors re-leverage and go to other provinces. We're seeing folks in markets where things have gone through the roof partner up with people and joint venture and purchase income properties here. So that wraps up this video. That was a lot, talking really fast here. There's lots of information in the newsletter this month. Please take the time to read it. Book your CMA. 'Tis the season with all the Christmas stuff to find out what your home is worth, and wishing you and your family and everybody all the best in 2022. Looking forward to the next one. We'll see you soon. Bye for now.